What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I know these aren't traditional videos that I usually do. Bear with me. I'm in the process of this whole moving thing, moving back and forth from Jersey to Florida, and it is really hectic. We are trying to get everything in order the way it should be, and so I'm trying. So bear with me because it's really hard keeping up to date with all these videos every single day. And I'm really not trying to miss a day. I used to have some month ahead of schedule. Now, since this, it just creeped up on me and I lost all of that. So now it's really, I'm filming this day by day. Like right now is July, whatever today is, the 22nd or 21st, 10:28 p.m. And I missed my 8 o'clock deadline to, put this out for you guys. So I'm gonna film this quick, edit it up, put it out, and yeah, it takes a lot out of me. So right now, just bear with me. But we are driving in the Avalanche, which is right over here, and as you can see, there is no ABS or brake lights, so it's extremely weird because it came off. So I'm not 100% sure if it's possibly the trailer, us pulling the trailer and it going under some stress that it's not used to, that caused that issue. I just don't know. I even hooked it up with the scanner. There is no codes. There is no history of codes, which makes things even more weird than anything. I have no idea. And it's kind of bothering me because now I need to figure out what's going on. Why is it tripping off? Obviously, I replaced the two front hubs. You all saw it in the video. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave the link up here for y'all. But I replaced the two front hubs and it worked really well. It worked fine. Obviously the wheel bearings was going in one of them, but I replaced both just in case. And right now, driving from, well, when we were driving the trailer from Jersey to Florida, when we hit Florida, the light came on, or somewhere in the end of Georgia, the light came on. I really don't know what it is. I can't find anything with it. No history, no current codes. So I am just gonna go for a stroll, get something to eat, edit this video, and let's see if the light comes on then. I'll even try to scan it tomorrow. And what I'll do tomorrow is hook this up to the scanner, put it on a live data test, and watch my wheel speed sensors and make sure that they're turning properly. Because this is baffling me. So if anyone has any other ideas that they want to throw out my way, be my guest. Now, before we even took the trip to Jersey, the brake pedal went all the way to the floor, and the ABS light and brake light and service brakes came on. And we found out that the two rear calipers were frozen. Well, one of the rear calipers were frozen, and I ended up replacing both of them. So when I replaced both of them, we got a pedal. I bled the brakes. We got a pedal. Everything's good. Now, I don't know if me not doing, and here's the hyper flashing. Everyone talks about hyper flashing. That's when I changed that LED thing, but I put it in the wrong spot. So I think I got the right ones. A company actually sent me out some. So let's see if theirs do anything differently. But anyway, back to the topic. When I replaced it, all that went away, and I got a pedal again. I did not do no ABS brake bleed pump through a scanner like you're supposed to. I don't know if that could be causing issues, but I don't think so because I have a really nice pedal and it feels really, really well. So guys, if you have any idea of anything or any comments that you want to leave in the comment section below and help me out, that would be greatly, greatly, greatly appreciated. As of right now, I'm going to take this road trip. I'm going to see if I can get some food, and on my way back, I'll tell you what happened, if anything happened at all. So I'll see you when I'm back.